What's up, guys? This is Manoj Kumar. Welcome back to my React tutorial. So, the first topic is about React fundamentals. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I will drop a link in the description. So, go ahead and watch it first. So, the second topic today is that React hooks. So, before getting started, if you guys are new to my channel, then just pause the video right now and hit the red button down below. So, first, let's get started. What is a hook? A hook is a special function that lets you hook into React features. Consider a scenario where you are writing function. Suddenly you got a condition like you have to implement state. For implementing it, you have to convert your function into a class. Instead of doing that, you can you can use a React hook called useState. By using it, you can implement state. Hooks don't work inside classes, but you can use them instead of writing classes. Why hooks? You guys can use class components instead of hooks. You don't have to refactor a functional component into a class component, which we have discussed earlier. You don't have to worry about this anymore because you are not writing a class anymore. No more method maintains because you don't want to bind any method to a class. Easier to decouple logic from UI, making both more reusable. So you can separate the logic part and the UI part and you can reuse it efficiently. What are the main five React hooks? First one is use state. It is used to store and manage data within individual components, which we have discussed earlier. Use effect. It is used to perform actions like HTTP request using fetch API, async, await, and like so. Use ref. It is used to reference JSX elements. Use context. It is used to access data from React context to share data among components more easily rather than passing props. Use reducer. It is used to store and manage data across multiple components. I'm gonna do a detailed breakdown of every React hooks in the upcoming videos, so make sure you have subscribed to my channel. So if you guys have any doubt, just comment it down in the comment section. If you like this video, then just hit the thumbs up button. So if you guys watched till the end of the video, a sub to the channel would be amazing. Thank you.